Today I'm going to show you how to register with Lonet so that you can begin learning your new language. Now the first step is that you need to access the website. Type in Lonet.Academy and that will take you to the home page. Once you get to the home page, you'll notice that you can select the language that you would like to view the page in. If you already have an account with Lonet, you can log in right here, or you can register and create a new account. Now, before we leave the home page and register, if you scroll down, you can choose the language that you would like to learn from your personal tutor. You can also get access to Lonet's blog to help you out with your language learning. You can click on the blog site and there you'll have access to all of Lonet's blog posts. You can also sign up for Lonet's newsletter where you can get these blog posts directly to your inbox, and you will also have access to other pertinent information about Lonet. Let's register. The first step is that you need to create an account with Lonet. So we're going to type in email address, and then you're going to type in your email address again for confirmation. Then fill in your password. Next, your first name, your last name or surname. You're going to type in your Skype ID and then select what time zone you're in. After that, you'll sign up as a learner or teacher. I'm a learner. Then, how did you hear about Lonet? And finally, click the Site Policy Agreement to review the agreement. And then once you have reviewed the agreement, you can check the box that says I understand and agree. Next, you're going to hit Create My Account. And now, your account has been set up. The next step you'll want to do is that you will want to go to your inbox of the email address that you used to get an email like this from Lonet. This is confirming your account. You're going to click on this link, and now my account has been confirmed. You can click up here and select Profile Next once your account has been confirmed. This is your dashboard now of your new account. Now, one of the first things that you're going to want to do after you have confirmed your account is that you will want to edit your profile. You can put in your country of where you're from, the city or town that you're in. You can add in a picture of yourself for your tutor to be able to see. You can type in interest that you have. For instance, I like sports and basketball. You can select the languages that you speak here, and then the languages that you want to learn. You can fill in your occupation, education, and then you can introduce yourself to your tutor. And then you can set reminders in terms of when you would like to see notifications before your lessons. Also, when it comes to your dashboard, you can get notifications to your account and any messages that you have with your tutor. Setting up your account and registering for Lonet is that simple.